Today we're carrying on with my passive investing project. I'm starting the year as I mean to go on. I have £233.94 available from other income, and I'm going to divide this by 3. That gives me £77.98, and I'm going to add equal amounts to each of my 3 investments that pay dividends. The first one being Coca-Cola, second Realty Income, and the third Vanguard FTSE All World High Dividend ETF. I'm using the Trading 212 app, and this is my portfolio. The current value is £3,333.12, and the first one we're going to buy is Coca-Cola. We go to buy, and the amount we're going to invest is £77.98, 77.98. Done. Review order. Send by order. Order placed, and that'll be executed after the markets open in 19 hours 31 minutes. Today being New Year's Day, 1st of January 2025, and these are traded on the New York Stock Exchange, and it's a public holiday, and it'll be open again tomorrow. The next investment is going to be Realty Income. As you can see, I've got over £1,000 invested already. Go to buy. Value, same value again, £77.98, 77.98. Done. Review order, send by order, order placed, and the same again. They're traded on the New York Stock Exchange, so the trade will be carried out in 19 hours 30 minutes time. And the last one is an ETF, Vanguard FTSE All World High Dividend ETF, and I'm going to buy same amount again, £77.98. And by the way, it's cheaper to buy this ETF using the Trading 212 platform than actually buying it on the Vanguard platform, which I did have, but now they're charging £4 a month management fees. So I've transferred everything over to Trading 212. So done. Review order, send by order, order placed, and that will be executed in 12 hours 59 minutes, because this security is traded on the London Stock Exchange, which is closed today due to New Year's Day bank holiday, but will open again tomorrow. So okay, and we go back. So we've invested in 3 of my main income paying stocks that I'm going to own long term for growth and income. At the moment I'm reinvesting any dividends back in, but there will become a time when I do need the actual income, and I'll be using the dividends as a part of my income strategy. So we've invested in Coca-Cola, Realty Income, and Vanguard FTSE All World. I did invest equal amounts initially, and I have invested equal amounts since then, but the difference being in the total value of the funds is that I've reinvested the dividends, and obviously the dividends do differ, and also the value of the stock has changed, but they're all on a positive. The Vanguard is up 1.6%, the Realty Income is up 1.3%, and the Coca-Cola is 0.82%. So this is just a live demonstration of me buying more stocks for my dividend income portfolio. Hope you found this interesting. Any comments, please go ahead. I'll read them all and I'll reply to all. And also, could you please subscribe to my channel? It really does help. Till next time, I bid you a really successful investing adventure.